Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about replacing the Moen 1224 cartridge for bathroom faucet. The 1224 is very easy to replace, and Moen will send you free replacement cartridges if you call them. So we received our cartridge, and our cartridge came with a set of instructions. And here are the instructions for the replacement of the cartridge. Now, as you'll look in the bottom here, there are instructions A, instructions B, instructions C, and instructions D. Now, what is really important here is that you have to figure out which instructions apply to you. And in our case, we needed the Moen 179-120 cartridge removal tool, which is pictured right there. It's a very simple tool. You can get it at Home Depot for about $4, and it is not included in what they send you. Here are the instructions in how to remove the tool, on how to use the tool to remove. And essentially, in our particular case, because there are different faucets, the handle just comes off by twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, just twist this off. And eventually, once you, it will come off. And when it comes off, it will expose this. Now the key here, and this is where we got into a lot of trouble and where it took a long time, is because I didn't realize we needed this tool. And essentially, you put this tool in and you twist that counterclockwise about maybe 6 or 7 times. And when you do that, a piece will come out. And that is essentially what happens right here. You twist it, and then this piece right here, which I'm pointing at, will come out. I'm not going to do this again because it took me a long time. I got it working. It's not leaking. I'm very happy with my results. But essentially, you are going to twist this piece until this piece right here comes out. And that's the retainer. Once you get that out, you can then take a pair of needle nose pliers and just pull the cartridge out. But before you use this tool and remove that retainer ring, it's not coming out no matter what you do. And I basically spent a week on it, frustrated. I actually, cut my hand trying to get this out. This tool is a secret. As long as you have this tool, it's going to work. Once you get that out, this red thing, and this happens to be red because it's the hot faucet. If it was a cold faucet, it would be blue. This red thing is attached to the top of the cartridge, and this is what the cartridge looks like with a screw. And so inside there is this cartridge, and it's screwed into this hole right here. And you'll just take it off with a screw, with a screwdriver. There's a simple Phillips head screwdriver. That's all you need. Which you'll unscrew that from this red piece. You'll unscrew it from the cartridge, and then you will attach that to the new cartridge, shove it back in. Now, you will need those needle nose pliers to pull the cartridge out. Don't worry about damaging the cartridge as I did, because the cartridge is going in the garbage. So you don't have to worry about that. Just pull it out. Just be careful not to damage this red piece, because this is the piece which kind of has like ridges, which, as you can see, these ridges match with these other ridges, and that's how you control the faucet. So I kind of scratched them up, but I'm able to get it back on, and the faucet works, doesn't leak, and it's all good. But the key here is make sure when replacing this faucet cartridge, the 1224, that you buy this puller. Okay? And once you have that puller, you'll be good to go.